Hi, everyone. You're about to get started on lessons that build off of Chuck's original 54 episodes about learning JavaScript on the ServiceNow platform. Again, I will be assuming that you have been through those original episodes, or at least the ones that explain the basics of JavaScript. But before we continue, one main change to the format of these lessons is that your exercises, or what Chuck called labs, will have their own standalone videos now. Otherwise, the same basic format applies. I'll be doing all of this in a fresh personal developer instance, which you can get from developer.servicenow.com. You will sometimes be seeing me run script and testing scripts in my own editor. But for the most part, I will be running all of our scripts inside ServiceNow within the background scripts module, which you see here. Finally, all the scripts and exercises you're going to see throughout these episodes can be found at devlink.sn/sn-js so that you can follow along at home. All right, we're up to speed. Let's go.